Find and replace. The Wordbee Find and Replace option works in the same manner as with other text processors. In the drop-down Actions menu, select Find and Replace. Begin by entering the text you wish to replace into the Find text field. Then enter the text you wish to replace it with into the Replace With field. The system will automatically search all the shown segments for your given pair. If you wish to further define your search and limit what is being replaced, click on the cogwheel found at the end of the Find text field. Here you will find several different ways to define your search parameters. Use the plain options to have the system search for plain text. Here you can also define whether to ignore capitalization and/or enforce word breaks. In the wildcard option, the system will interpret symbols as wildcard operators. Finally, we have the regular expression options. Here, the system interprets the text to search as a regular expression. To complete this action, simply click Apply. You will then see how many segments were changed. Simply close this window to return to the working space and continue working.